Yeah, if you've been skiing for a few years, you probably know the head core launched around 2017, if I remember rightly. It really took the sort of all-mountain Freeride world by storm at the time, and it was a very, very well-liked ski. Head have now completely redesigned the core for the 2025-26 winter season. I've seen it here for the first time. It looks really nice. It certainly looks very different to the core, that sort of silver top surface that they used to have. But the actual core, the inside of the ski is very, very different. It has 2 titanol plates running through it. It's got a Karuba Beach wood core running all the way through it as well. So I'm thinking it's probably going to be a little bit more of an aggressive ski than the previous core. I'm really looking forward to getting on it, actually. It looks really, really nice. Then also what Head have done is they've brought out a brand new binding that you can put onto this ski. It's called the Attack Hybrid. And basically the Attack Hybrid has, it has an interchangeable binding on it. So you've got the Attack front toe piece of the binding here that you can put on this ski. But you've also then got, grab the whole thing here. You've also then got a touring binding on the front that you can interchange with this binding. So you put that on to go up, obviously, you put this one on to go down. If you forget to bring this one to go down, you can ski down on this one as well, but it's just an emergency mode. So ideally, you really should be skiing on this. But what I like about this is the interchangeable system. You get the full-on binding on a Freeride ski, but you've got the touring option on it as well. Really, really like that. So the new core flat without the bindings comes in at 650 to 690 RRP. It will be available for the 2025-2026 winter season. We are going to test that in January 2025, and we of course will be reviewing it and letting you know what it's really like on snow.